Tesla is back in the solar panel manufacturing game, and this time their new panels may actually just change how solar is installed forever. After years of shifting away from solar panel manufacturing, they are starting to do it again in their Buffalo, New York factory. But are their panels good, or are they just another panel in the mound of panels? Let's break it down. If you follow clean energy or solar at all, you obviously know the name Tesla. Their Powerwall 3s have dominated the energy storage market for a while now, and of course, their solar roof has been something that solar homeowners have been asking about for a long time, but hasn't really been too much of a reality. As far as panels go, they actually used to produce more panels of their own, but between 2021 and 2024, they shifted most of their focus away from that. But now they're back at their Buffalo factory producing their new TSP-415 and TSP-420 panels, which are 415 watts and 420 watts, respectively. Now, both of these panels feature the sleek all-black designs become standard in residential solar installations. They are about 20% efficient, which is great to see, and they come with the industry standard 25-year warranties. From a purely technical spec standpoint, these panels are actually nothing revolutionary. We'll take a look at that in a second. But where Tesla really may win and actually innovate the residential panel market is in some of the unique features they built into this panel that we're going to talk about. Here's a quick snapshot of some of the technical specs in the datasheet. As I said, efficiency is above 20% for both of these panels. Typical operating temperature goes from negative 40 degrees Celsius all the way to plus 85 degrees Celsius. The panels themselves weigh about 49 pounds, and they're a pretty standard residential size, 71 inches by 49 inches. They also come with most of the certifications you would expect to see on a residential solar panel. So like I said, nothing that's revolutionary here, but let's talk about some of the key changes. Number one, the first thing is the power zones. So in traditional solar panels, the panel itself and the wiring is actually split up into multiple zones, and this is to reduce the effects of shade. Obviously, when you get shade on a solar panel, it reduces the production from that panel. But by dividing it into zones, it means that if there's shade on one part of a panel, it doesn't affect the production from a different part of the panel in a different zone. Most standard solar panels have about 6 zones in them. What Tesla did with these new panels, they actually divided it further into 18 zones. What this means is that in situations where panels may experience a little bit of shade here or there, they could theoretically produce a little bit more power because it only is affecting a smaller portion of the panel. Real world applications, we'll have to see how this goes, but this is a potential option for homes that do have a little bit more shade or trickier setups. In my opinion, the best part of these panels and the biggest change that could innovate the residential solar industry is what Tesla has done to the frame, and they actually included a groove in it. This is a traditional solar panel, right? It's got your usual front, and the frame here on the side is just smooth. There's nothing on it. What Tesla's done with these new panels is they actually put a groove into the side of them so they could integrate mounting into it. By doing this, they don't have to use rails. So the system actually sits lower down to the roof plane. And they claim with this new groove system, they can actually complete installs 33% faster and with 15% fewer roof penetrations. So less roof penetrations, faster installs, and less equipment overall. That goes a long way to reducing the soft cost of systems and may change how solar panels are produced forever. As far as warranty and degradation goes, these new Tesla solar panels fall pretty well in line with the rest of the solar industry. They do have a 25-year product warranty and a 25-year linear performance warranty. The annual degradation for these panels is set at about 0.45%, which puts it squarely in line with most standard panels in the industry. Most standard panels are going to be roughly about 0.5% per year, and your high-end panels like an REC are going to be about 0.25% per year. What this means is that they're guaranteeing 98% production at year 1, 93% production at year 10, and 87% production at year 25. As you might expect, I probably wouldn't be making this video if we didn't actually include these Tesla solar panels on our APL, and they are included on our approved vendor list. So if you are looking to get solar and you want that 30-year material and labor cost protection that comes with a solar insurance warranty, you can get these new Tesla ecosystems. We do also cover the Powerwall 3 as well, so the whole ecosystem can be covered under a solar insurance warranty. This launch comes at a great time for the industry because modules are in a shortage, especially domestic content because of new fiat restrictions, and being that these are produced in the US, they wouldn't have any of those problems. This also comes at a great time because installers are desperate to reduce soft costs of their systems. So if they can install them faster and they can also use less equipment, they can lower their costs and the costs for their customers as well. So I think personally, these panels have an opportunity, if they really take off well, to change the way that solar panels are created forever. If you liked the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel for more honest solar breakdowns and tech breakdowns. We also have great information for solar homeowners and solar businesses. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.